Hello students, welcome to part 12 of the chapter Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. So last class we studied about nomenclature of different classes of alkanes, alkynes and haloalkanes. So in this class let's discuss some examples regarding alkanes, alkynes and haloalkanes. So essentially the UPSC system of nomenclature, it contains secondary prefix, primary prefix, word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix. So IUPSC system IUPSC system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Secondary prefix, which is indicates the nature of substituent group present in the parent chain. Primary prefix, it is used to distinguish cyclic from acyclic compounds. Word root, which is the word root is nothing but which is used to indicate the number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain. And primary suffix is nothing but which is used to indicate the nature of linkage between the carbon atoms. I mean whether it may be single bond, double bond or it may be triple bond. Secondary suffix, which is used to indicate the nature of functional group present in the parent chain. Let's see some examples. So first one, CH3, CH3. So the second carbon atom is bonded to CH3. So while naming a UPSC system or while naming organic compounds, first we have to consider a longest chain or longest parent chain na consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು first. So in this case, so this is the longest chain. 1 2 3. So numbering ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 2 3. So in this case, numbering should be start from distant to distant or distant to distant. So ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ IUPAC ನೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 methyl substituent group ಇದೆ. Substituent group is nothing but a secondary prefix. ಹೌದಾ? Secondary prefix which is used to indicate the nature of substituent group present in the parent chain. So secondary prefix ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, we should go for primary prefix. Primary prefix is nothing but which is used to distinguish cyclic from acyclic compounds. It is a acyclic compound, so primary prefix illa illi. Then word root is nothing but number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain. So number of carbon atoms is really 1 2 3 then. So numbering word root admale we should go for primary suffix. Primary suffix used to distinguish nature of linkage between the carbon atoms. So all the carbon atoms, they are bonded by single bond. What about secondary suffix, which is used to indicate the nature of functional group present in the parent chain? So in this compound there is no any functional group. So what is the IUPAC name? 2 methyl, number of carbon atoms are 3, 2 methyl propane. Methyl is nothing but secondary prefix. Prop is nothing but word root. ANE is nothing but primary suffix. So in this case, we have to consider a longest parent chain. So this is the longest parent chain. 1 2 3 4. So number of carbon atoms 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ numbering, we have to give numbering for this compound. So I will start from distant to distant. 1 2 3 4. So ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Because the substituent group occurs lowest number. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 3 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 2 substituent groups or 2 methyl groups. So that's why 2, 2 dimethyl 1 2 3 4. Number of carbon atoms are 4. But they are all bonded by single bonds. Therefore primary suffix is AAE. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Move on to next one. CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. While both single and double bonds are present in a molecule or present in an organic compound, the lowest number or the first preference always goes to double bond. So numbering should be start from this end to this end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of carbon atoms are 4. But double bond present in first position 1, ENE. But 1, ENE. So next one. So in this case, one triple bond is present. So if you give numbering from this end to this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So triple bond will be present in third position. So if you numbering from this end to this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once again triple bond present in third position. So ಈ ತರ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗೀತು. Now we have to name this compound. So number of carbon atoms are 6. Therefore X. Word root is X. Triple bond present in third position 3. Triple bond means primary suffix is YAB. X3 and. Next one. CH3, CHI, CH3. So this is the substituent group. So numbering should be start from this end to this end or this end to this end. So this is the longest chain. So what is the IUPAC name? Substituent group is that. Substituent group is nothing but enido secondary prefix. So first ಇದನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2-iodopropane. Move on to next one. So once again, two substituent groups are present on the same carbon atom. So numbering should be start from this end to this end or this end to this end. So ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು substituent group second position ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So if this is the longest chain, the two substituent groups are present on the second carbon atom. Therefore 2, 2 dichloropropane. Next one. So we have 4 examples. For these examples, we have to write IUPAC name as well as bond line formula. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? IUPAC ನೇಮು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So let's discuss one by one. So first one. So in this case, number of carbon atoms are 4. Numbering should be start from this end to this end, because if you give numbering from this end to this end, the substituent groups acquires a lowest number. ಹೌದಾ? So ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. So this is the longest chain 2-methyl. Second carbon atom contains methyl groups. 2-methyl. Number of carbon atoms are 4. But tab A ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, because next to primary suffix ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? D ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? OL ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 2-methyl butane. So double bond present in first carbon atom as well as third carbon atom. 1, 3 diene. 2-methyl butane 1,3 diene. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. Now we have to write the bond line formula for this compound. Number of carbon atoms are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of carbon atoms are 4. Then second carbon atom is bonded by methyl group. So now this is the second carbon atom. It is bonded by one methyl group. Next, first carbon atom as well as third carbon atom. First and third carbon atoms, they contain double bonds. Now this is the first carbon atom. It contains double bond. And this is the third carbon atom. It is also contains double bond. So this is the bond line formula for this compound. So ನಾನು last class ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, terminal positions contains methyl group, CH3 groups, and intersections they contains CH2 groups. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ contains double bond, this carbon atom also contains double bond. So both the first carbon atoms they contain are they are bonded by double bonds. So numbering should be start from this end to this end or this end to this end, no problem. So 1 2 3 4 5. So number of carbon atoms are 5. Pentam. Double bond present in first carbon atom as well as fourth carbon atom. 1,4 diene. Penta 1,4 diene. So you have to write the bond length formula. Number of carbon atoms are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon, fourth and fifth. So double bond present in first and fourth carbon atom. So first one as well as fourth one. Next, move on to next one. So numbering should be start from this end to this end or this end to this end, no problem. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of carbon atoms are 6. Therefore word root is hexa. Double bond present in first carbon atom, third carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. 1 3 5. So 3 double bonds are present. Triene. Hexa 135 triene is the IUPAC name for this compound. What is the bond length formula? Number of carbon atoms are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So numbering ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then double bonds present in first carbon atom, third carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. So this is the first carbon atom, next third carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. So this is the bond length formula for this compound. Next one, move on to next one. I mean the last example. So in this case ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ double bond and single bonds are present, the lowest priority always goes to, or the first priority always goes to double bond. So ee kadeyinda numbering ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. 1 2 3 4 5. Then third carbon atom contains a CH2 group. ಈ CH2 group ನ ನಾವು CH3 CH2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಹೌದಾ? Then so ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. 1 2 3 4 5. So number of carbon atoms are 5. But third carbon atom contains ethyl group as well as third carbon atom contains double bond also. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Sorry. Substituent group ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So substituent group 1 2 3. So first substituent group is nothing but ಏನಿದು? Secondary prefix. So first secondary prefix ನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 ethyl. Number of carbon atoms are 5. 3 ethyl penta 1 and 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ? ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ atom as well as third carbon atom. So 3 ethyl penta 1 3 diene. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound, and now we have to write the bond length formula. So number of carbon atoms are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So number of carbon atoms ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತು. Third carbon atom is bonded by substituent group. ಯಾವುದು? ethyl group. So this is the third carbon atom. This is CH3 and this is CH2. Now this is CH2 group and this is CH3 group. C2H5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? C2H5 ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. CH3 CH2 ಅಂತ. Terminal position it contains a CH3 group. Intersection position it contains CH2 group. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 1, 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. So this is the first carbon atom and this is third carbon atom. So penta 1, 3 diene or 3 ethyl. Nodi 3. This is CH2. This is CH3. 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Number of carbon atoms are 5. Penta. Double bond present in first and third carbon atom. This is the first carbon atom and this is third carbon atom. So 3 ethyl penta 1, 3 diene. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.